If you swear by Google Chrome as your default browser, you already know that Chrome hasn't received any prominent design changes in the last 10 years. But Google has been working on a major refresh for Chrome across desktop and mobile in recent months, which it likes to call material design, and it is starting to make its way to the stable release of Chrome. You can find the material design UI hidden inside Chrome setting in the desktop and iOS versions. The latest version of Chrome on Android and the desktop version Chrome 68 hasn't received the material design yet, and that's where this video comes in. Today, I'm going to show you how you can enable the new material design on your desktop and Android devices. Excited? So let's get started. Starting with the desktop version, the only thing that you will be needing is that your browser should be updated to the latest version, that is Chrome 68. If you are not updated to the latest version, then don't worry, you will automatically receive the update here. Or you can also download and install the latest version of the Chrome from the official website. Now copy and paste this URL from the description down below in the address bar and tap Go. From here, click on UI layout and change the option to refresh from default. Now reload the Chrome to see updated design. It is not as drastic as what we see on mobile. The desktop version comes with more circular and white space than the previous design. The rounded tabs are still not present on Chrome for desktop, but word is they are on their way. Now for the Android users, modern design UI will make the app white with rounded buttons. If you like the way it looks, you can enable it from the flags page. Just paste this into Chrome browser, select enable in the drop-down menu and restart the app twice. If you ever wanted to go back, just change the drop-down menu to disable and restart Chrome twice again. The new user interface design is being referred as modern design right now inside Chrome, and it features rounded corner for certain elements such as the URL bar and icons. The status bar blends in perfectly with the current web page color, and there is a slightly revamped tab switcher. So that's how you can get the new material design for your Chrome browser. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and for more future videos like this, do consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any future videos from Extreme Droid. So this is Samir signing off, and I'll see you guys in my next one.